Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this official website. After that click on search and then enter the model number of graphic card GeForce RTX 4080 Super AERO OS 16G and then hit enter. After that click on the product, then click on the title of your graphic card. Then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same NVIDIA driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. And after that click on three dot and you can see it is download. You just click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next license options, then here to step finished, and after that also completed driver, then restart your system.